I used to be super anti-mouth tape, but then I got these. There's a little hole in here so you can talk, drink your water, move your mouth like normal, but it's not gonna let your jaw move so much that you are snoring. I've been using it for the last few nights and my sleep has improved so much. I sleep throughout the whole night and my husband says that my snoring has gotten so much better.
Oh, great. Now we duct tape our mouth shut for snatched jawlines. Who needs breathing, right? Look, if your snoring is the issue, maybe check in with your dentist before you DIY a hostage situation for your lips. Your airway will thank you.